YouTube babies, this your girl Brittany, and today I will be making a salmon dish for you guys using my HomeChef meal. So I have some salmon, some teriyaki sauce, some carrots, some bok choy, some green onions, chives, whatever you want to call it. I have some chopped ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and a pepper. And these are the instructions that you get when you order a HomeChef meal and tell you everything what to do. So right now I'm just gonna prep my meal. I'm gonna get my vegetables together and chop up my vegetables, and I'm gonna preheat my oven to 400 degrees. Now you guys, I've been using HomeChef for about a year. Right there I'm just shaving my carrots, but like I was saying, I've been using HomeChef for a year. I started using it right before I got sick to lose weight, and it did work. Now I also will be giving a giveaway. You have to be a new HomeChef subscriber in order to get the giveaway that I'm giving. Right there I'm just cutting up my bok choy, and the way to win a free HomeChef meal, you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube, and you have to write a comment telling me what you like about the video and send me a DM on Instagram, and that's how you enter the contest. Now, like I said, in order to win this contest, you have to be a new subscriber to HomeChef. Old subscribers can't get it, but it will be a first free meal. Also, if you don't win the giveaway, I do have a coupon link below where you get $30 off your first meal. So right now, you guys, like I said, I'm just chopping up my vegetables, getting everything in order for my meal. So y'all just keep watching. Your girl be feeling like she on Master Chef and shit, you know? Cutting up this stuff. Your girl feel like real Master Chef, you know? So, like I said, y'all just keep watching. I'm just cutting up my vegetables, feeling like a home chef. Well, Master Chef. Don't that look pretty? Okay. Okay, you guys, I have my teriyaki sauce right there, and I'm going to add about 3/4 of my garlic and all of the chopped ginger to that, and I'm just gonna mix it together in a bowl, and it's gonna go on top of my salmon and my vegetables later. Okay, you guys, right now I'm going to add some oil to my pan, and I'm gonna get it all nice and hot for you. Nice and hot for you. My salmon cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes on skin side down, and I did add some salt, pepper, some Cajun seasoning or Old Bay, and some dry chives. Now you guys, I'm going to flip it over after 2 to 3 minutes, and don't be like me, get you one of fish spatulas. Y'all know I'm country into the ghetto, and I ain't got time for all that. Y'all know I'm just a home cook. So I had it cooking on that side for about 2 minutes. And now I'm going to place my teriyaki glaze on the top. Teriyaki ginger glaze on the top. And I'm going to have it cooking in the oven. Now my pan is safe in the oven, so I just stuck it in the oven. So right here, you guys, I put a little oil in the pan. I'm going to add my carrots. Now you do want a little crunch on the carrots, but I like my carrots soft with a little bit of texture. So I'm just going to have it cooking as it stated on the instructions. I'm going to add some salt and some pepper, because you know y'all got to season your food. Want to do it? So I'm going to add the butt parts of the chives. Don't ask me why. That's just what it say. I don't know why, but I use the green ones for decorations. Y'all know how I do. And I'm going to add my bok choy to the carrots, and I'm going to have it cooking. Now you guys, I could have added more of the white to the bok choy, but this is my first time making it, so I just did the green part. And I'm going to add the rest of my teriyaki sauce to my vegetables. And I probably had this cooking with the carrots for about 5 minutes and the bok choy until it started whelping up like that, or till it got little. I don't know what you want to call it. Y'all know I ain't no real cook. I'm just cooking, but your girl can cook. Don't get it twisted, boo-boo. For my YouTube babies that don't know. And that's how my salmon looked when it was completely done. Don't it look scrumptious? Won't he do it? Okay? Just a little something, something. A bitch be feeling like she on Master Chef and shit. So I add a little of those chili, that pepper on top after I cut it up. Don't that look good? It was a little kick to it, But that's how it looked when it was completely done. Don't they look scrumptious? Don't they look like I'm a cook for real? I tell you, this Home Chef boy make your girl feel like she a chef of D. Do you hear me? Baby boy, baby girl. Like you two babies. But yeah, this is how it looked when it was completely done. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and look at the details below to get the information on how to win your free Home Chef meal. Bye, you guys. I love you. Mwah.